What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online using one of the newest and best methods online right now. Now, people are making around about $60 to $100 a day doing this. Some are making even more, some are making even less than 60, but the people that I know doing this exact strategy are making around about $60 to $100 a day. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this step by step and take you through a full tutorial on how you can make money on ClickBank using YouTube Shorts, which is a very good strategy that's working extremely well right now. Now, how this works is actually quite simple. What we're going to be doing is using YouTube Shorts, and then we're going to be using a platform called ClickBank where we can promote products for a commission and we get paid for promoting those products. It's a very good way to make money online, and it's kind of a bit of a secret now because these shorts are kind of new to YouTube and YouTube is pushing them, and there's people making really good money on this, but then there's a lot of people that don't even know that this strategy exists. So I want to show you exactly how to do it in this video. Now, before we do that, I just want to let you guys know if you want to win access to every single one of my courses, all you've got to do on this video is smash that like button. Once you've smashed that like button, leave a comment below and let me know if you're using ClickBank yet. ClickBank is one of the best platforms online to make money with, and I want to know if you are using this platform. So smash that like button and let me know, and you could potentially win access to every single one of my courses in the next video. So what are YouTube Shorts? Before we jump into this video, I want to show you exactly what YouTube Shorts are. So YouTube Shorts are short videos on YouTube that are under a minute long, and you can see that they're getting lots of views right now. So 600,000 here, 200,000, 200,000, 100,000, 383,000. And what I want to do is show you a way that you can do this without showing your face and using completely free templates, okay? Free templates. You don't have to actually make these videos yourself. 1.9 million views here, 500,000 views here. YouTube Shorts are doing very well right now, and people are getting thousands, hundreds and thousands of views using this strategy. So let's jump into this tutorial right now, guys, and I'll show you exactly how you can make money online using ClickBank and YouTube. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do if you haven't done this already is head over to clickbank.com and then click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, you will be able to create your account for completely free. Go and do that right now, and you can create your own ClickBank account where we can find products to promote for a commission. If you already have a ClickBank account, then simply log in. The next step is you want to go to the ClickBank marketplace. So what you want to do is click on the little marketplace little tab up here, and then it'll take you to this area here, which is the marketplace. Now on the marketplace, you can find products in specific niches that you can promote. So if we go down, for example, to health and fitness, we have all these health and fitness products that we can promote. Like this one here, we can make $136 average commission. This one here, $173 average commission. This one here, $100 average commission. This one here, about $50, about $112, and about 107, and it keeps going. Now there's different types of niches in this platform. So this is health and fitness. Then on this one we have relationship advice. So $25 for this one. You can make $98 for this one. You kind of get the point. There's lots of niches that you can dive into, and you can promote these products to make a commission. So we will come back to this, and I'll show you how you can actually use this to make money with YouTube and how you can actually promote these products and things like that. It'll all come together as we go out, as we go throughout this training. But this is called clickbank.com, and you can promote these types of products for a commission. But the next step is how do you actually get traffic so you can promote these products to get a commission. The next step is we want to go to youtube.com, and you want to go into the search bar here, and you want to do a hashtag, a hash, and then shorts. Okay. Now, when you do hash and shorts, it shows search terms for YouTube Shorts. But if we go plus, it brings you up all of these different types of categories that we can look into. So for example, dog training. There's all of these shorts on dog training, and what we could actually find a product on ClickBank, for example. So if we go put in dog training right here, find some products on dog training, right? And we could do shorts based on dog training. But that's not what we're going to be doing in this video, but that's just an example. So that's what you want to do. You want to do shorts plus the keyword, a few keywords. And what you want to look for, I've got a few here, so we'll get rid of the dog training right now. But I've got shorts plus relationships, I've got shorts plus fitness, and I've got shorts plus weight loss. And you want to just go down and make sure they're getting lots of views, okay? because you don't want to do a niche that's dead and doesn't get many views. Now, the thing about shorts right now is YouTube is pushing shorts everywhere, because it's not really a new feature, but they are pushing it because they want people to watch these shorts and stuff like that, and they're really pushing shorts right now. So what you want to do is you want to go and find a specific niche in the shorts section in YouTube, and you can kind of find a product as well based around that short. So let's get rid of some of these here. We'll get rid of the relationship, and we'll get rid of dog training. So let's say shorts for fitness and weight loss, which are essentially the same thing or similar thing. So go back here and go to health and fitness. I have to do it again, so I search dog training, and we have lots of health products that we can promote and products that we can find. Now, the next step, we need to actually go and create some shorts. So we've found a niche that we could be interested in. You want to go to invideo.io. So this is it here. Videoio. They have a free version and a paid version. The free version, you'll have a little watermark, but it's not that big. You can still use it. You want to go to pre-made templates, and you want to go to vertical here, 9:16. Okay, and so you can sign up to this website. I'll leave a link below. Now you want to scroll down. You want to actually go and put in a category, right? So I'm going to put in fitness. I think this is where you put it. And it's going to show us the fitness one. So here we go. Now I'm going to show you how to do this the most basic way for beginners, but there's another way that you can do this as well, which I'll show you as well, which is a little bit more advanced. So let's do the basic version first. You want to scroll down and you want to find a template that you can use. I'm going to go with this one because we have actually used this one for the demo short that I'm going to show you soon, which is right here. Okay, so I have the demo short here, which I created. And I'm going to show you how to do this. So click on this and then go to use this template, and it has music and everything for you. So the good thing about this template is it has all the music and everything that you need. This is the beginner version of it. All right, so now that it's loaded up, we have these sections here that we can edit, and you can add more sections and all that sort of stuff. This isn't really a tutorial on how to use this particular platform, but you can edit. I'll give you kind of a quick rundown. So you've got these templates here. You can edit all of the text, which we're going to do in a second. You can add images if you like. You can really edit all of these. Now you want to make the video 60 seconds or less, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is we want to do a short based on fitness tips, okay? So on the first tab here, you want to edit this to say something like 4 best fitness tips 2021, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to go to Google, and you want to put in fitness tips, and you can actually find free fitness tips online that you can use. So I've got some right here, okay? And what I'll do is I'll highlight this here, and I'll copy this, and then I will go back to here, and I'll go to the next slide, and I'll simply highlight this text here and delete it, and then paste in the tip, and it actually has it here and it's made it the right size. So eat foods that are closest to their natural state as possible. Aim for whole foods, fresh foods in a rainbow of colors. Okay, and then all I've got to do is go back and find some more tips. So here's another one. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to go paste. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to paste it in there. Add protein powder to smoothies for an added boost. So those are 2 tips already. And then there's 3 and 4 that I can add. And then there's the ending. Now the ending we will talk about in a second. But you can add more scenes. You can click add scene. You can add another template and stuff like that. But you can, let's just have a look here and play this real quick so you can see, right? You have, bring the marker back here. And I've just created this really quickly to show you guys what to do. Now, for a more advanced version, okay, if you don't want to use a template or you want to add some more to this, you can actually go over to here to pexels.com and put in fitness and click on videos. And you can scroll down, and there's actually some videos in the same format that you can download for completely free, and you can drag them in onto these templates, okay? So you can really customize this thing and do whatever you like and change it around. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. But to speed up this video, what I've done is I've actually created a video for this, okay? Really simple to do. Now, the next step is at the end, you actually want to go to the end here, and on the end one, you want to get rid of this logo here, or maybe add your own logo, but you want to do this. Click link below. And we're actually going to have an affiliate link, which I'll show you how to put in YouTube when we actually upload the link. And then all you do is you go download and share, okay? Now this isn't a full tutorial on how to use this program, but you just go export, and you export it and it'll do it all for you, and then you're actually ready to use this specific video as a short on YouTube. And I'll show you exactly how to do that right now and how you can actually make money on YouTube by using this video. So once you've created and exported the video, you should have a video that's ready to upload to YouTube so you can start actually making some money. So let me show you exactly how you can do that and how you can optimize your YouTube video. The first things first is you are going to need a couple of things. You are going to need a link shortener. So this one is called cut.ly. And you also are going to need something called VidIQ. This is a Chrome extension that we're going to be using to optimize our video. So what you want to do is you want to have a YouTube account specifically around your niche that you're actually in for this. And you want to go to here and you want to go to upload video. Now this is a little bit different than uploading a normal video because it's actually a short. So we have to do a couple of things. Drag in your video, and it's going to upload the video and go into a processing mode. The first thing you want to do is you want to do the title. So I'm going to quickly just put in a title here. You basically want to do it based around fitness tips. I'm going to put in my video here is the 5 best fitness tips. So I'm going to put 5 best fitness, and then you want to put hash shorts. You need to put the hash shorts or it won't actually come up as a short. So that's the title. Now you can actually see that it's loaded up here. The next important thing is where we actually put our link or our offer. So if we go back to ClickBank here, I'm in the health section, and you can actually click on a specific product to promote it, to have a look at it and then promote it. So I'm going to click on this one here. What you want to do is you just want to go through and look at the offers and see which one you think is going to work for your audience, okay? So just go here and check it out and see what it's about. So it's got all the buy buttons and everything here. This is a weight loss product. Now what I'm going to do is go promote, and you're going to actually get this link here. So go generate hop link and copy this link. This is your affiliate link. So you will get a commission when someone clicks on this link and purchases this product, and you could make, well, people are making on average around about $136. Now you want to promote the products that have the best gravity. So this has 598 gravity, which is really good. You can go all the way down to like 200, 100, but you want to really promote the ones that have the best gravity, because that means people are actually making money from this product. You then want to go to Cutly, and you want to paste that link in there and go shorten. You want to shorten the link so it is a bit more cleaner, okay? This is really important. Once it's shortened, I can then copy this. I want to go back to my video, and in the description, I want to put something in there like click. So I put in here, click here for more information on losing weight. Now, I'm not saying this is the right product for you. It really depends, okay? So you want to line the product up with the shorts. So if you're doing a short on the best relationship tips, do a relationship product. If you're doing the best fitness tips, make sure you do a fitness product that actually aligns with it. So, people want to lose weight, then do a lose weight product. That's very, very important when actually doing this, okay? Now, so that's very simple. Do a title and then do the description with your affiliate link so you can make commissions. The next step is to choose a thumbnail, which you can just choose one. So I would actually choose this one here from my video, the actual 5 best tips that I had, and it should show up here in a second. But now we actually have things called tags. So what you want to do is you want to use this product here, and you want to go to other short videos, and you want to go down. So this is the product here once it's activated, and you want to go down to the tags. So how to lose weight fast, weight loss tips, lose weight fast, how to lose weight. Here's another one here. If we go down, weight loss, scientific weight loss tips, weight loss journey. Now don't take all of these, but just use some of these on your video, because we know that these actually work and people are getting views, okay? This is really important. You want to see what type of tags other people are actually using. For this one, I'm just going to actually put in fitness tips for men, fitness tips for beginners. And this is actually vidIQ. So what vidIQ is doing is it's actually giving me recommendations as well, and I can upgrade it if I want to get more recommendations. I'm just going to, oh, so there we go. There's the thumbnail there. But it's going to give me more recommendations. But I'm going to put in something like, I'm just going to pretend, for example, that I've got some from here. I'm not going to copy them all over or anything. I'm going to put best fitness tips for 2021. Best fitness. See, so here we go. Best fitness tips. And what this thing actually does is it usually gives us best fitness tips. Should give it, yeah, so best fitness tips for beginners. It gives us recommendations as well, so you can do both ways. Best fitness tips for losing weight. You want to try and use some long tail keywords as well. So this is what you want to do. You want to fill up this to around about 500 characters with tags. Don't just go and copy all of them from a video, but take one or two from here, take one or two ideas from here, and then also use the vidIQ application or extension to give you ideas as well. This is very, very important. And what's going to happen, right, is when you go next and you go through all your checks and you make this video live, you've now got a video short, the 5 best fitness tips to lose weight. And because at the end of the video, you have that, let me just play this real quick. You have that thing that says click below for more. People are going to click into the description, and in the description here it says click here for more information. They're going to click on this link. Once they click on this link, if they purchase, you're going to make a commission, okay? It's called an affiliate marketing commission. And that's all you've got to do. And then you've just got to go down and actually optimize the video. The best thing that you can do is find the right niche that has lots of shorts that are getting pushed, and then find the right product for that niche, for that short video, and you could start making some money with affiliate marketing, ClickBank, and YouTube, okay? And you can get free templates from here and everything like that. And then you can also do the advanced version that I showed you and get free royalty videos online and do it that way as well. But once this is all ready to go, all you do is click next and you go all the way to the end and you make the video public and then let YouTube do the magic and you could make some money online. All right, guys, so that's the way that you can go and make money on YouTube in 2021. If you want some more free videos on how to make money online, I'll leave some videos up on the screen right now that you can click. They'll show you how to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. Any comments, leave them below, and I'll see you on the videos on the right.